The auto start-stop system is a fuel-saving technology that automatically shuts off your engine when stopped and restarts it when you're ready to go. Understanding the warning light is crucial for proper vehicle operation. The system uses multiple sensors, including crankshaft position, camshaft position, and speed sensors, all coordinated by the engine control unit to determine when it's safe to stop and restart the engine. There are three main warning light states you need to understand. A green symbol means the system is active and working normally. A yellow symbol with off means it's temporarily disabled due to operating conditions. A flashing or crossed out symbol indicates a malfunction requiring attention. The system temporarily disables under several conditions. Low battery voltage below 12.2 volts is the most common cause. Extreme temperatures, steep inclines over 12%, and recent cold starts will also trigger the warning light. As of 2024, approximately 70% of new vehicles sold in North America feature auto start-stop technology. This makes understanding the warning light increasingly important for modern drivers. Understanding these warning lights helps you maintain optimal fuel efficiency and avoid unnecessary service visits. The system is designed to work seamlessly when operating conditions are ideal. The first step in troubleshooting your auto start-stop warning light is checking the battery voltage. This is the most common cause, accounting for 65% of all start-stop system problems. Next, verify that your vehicle meets the proper operating conditions. The system will disable itself if certain conditions aren't met to protect the engine and ensure passenger comfort. If conditions are correct, but the light persists, try a manual system reset. This simple procedure can resolve temporary glitches in the system. If the manual reset doesn't work, connect an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes include P0A93 and P1E00, which indicate specific system malfunctions. For persistent issues, perform advanced battery diagnostics. Test the battery under load and check alternator output. The alternator should produce between 13.5 and 14.5 volts at idle. Finally, some issues require software updates or sensor recalibration. Modern vehicles may need ECM software updates or brake pedal position sensor recalibration to resolve false positive warnings. Remember, most start-stop system issues are battery-related and can be resolved with proper testing and maintenance. Always start with basic checks before moving to advanced diagnostics.